Andrews Pitchfork Indicator. In this video you will learn what the Andrews Pitchfork is, how to put the Andrews Pitchfork on your chart, how to trade using Andrews Pitchfork. Andrews Pitchfork is a tool that is used for predicting market reversals as well as entries into established trends. When the market is in an up or down trend, it can help identify clear channels that price often moves in. This can alert the trader to clear entry levels ahead of time, before the market even retraces. Traders will also often use it to help predict when an asset's direction is about to change, therefore allowing them to take advantage of market reversals. Andrews Pitchfork uses 3 parallel lines to indicate potential support and resistance levels in the market. It is constructed using 3 consecutive highs or lows on a chart. For example, in an uptrend, the pitchfork is constructed from a low and high and then another low. It is important to follow this order when drawing the pitchfork. The opposite is true for a downtrend. The pitchfork is constructed using a high, a low, and then another high. Let's now look at how to construct Andrews Pitchfork on your chart. You first want to look for 3 consecutive highs or lows on the chart. Look for major highs and lows, the ones that catch your eye easily. We will call these turning points. Highlight these turning points on your chart as they are important in the construction of the pitchfork. Now, start by drawing a straight line from the first turning point through the middle of the outer 2 turning points. This is known as the central or median line. Once this line has been drawn, you want to draw 2 outer lines running parallel with this line. Start from the second and third turning points when drawing these lines. You can see that once the 3 lines are drawn on your chart, it resembles a farmer's pitchfork, hence the name. Drawing Andrews Pitchfork can be difficult at times due to the fact that it can become subjective when identifying which highs and lows to use in the construction. However, once drawn, the pitchfork is simple to use. Most trading platforms make it even simpler for the trader as they include an indicator that plots the lines on your chart without needing to calculate anything. For example, using MetaTrader 4, we can draw Andrews Pitchfork by identifying 3 swing points in the market. Once they have been identified, go to Insert, select Andrews Pitchfork, and then click on the first swing point, then the second swing point, and finally the third swing point. As you can see, the indicator has now plotted the pitchfork on your chart. The premise behind Andrews Pitchfork is that price tends to gravitate towards the median line and bounce off the outer parallel or channel lines. When looking to initiate a long position, you want to look at the lower lines of the channel with the idea of trading the retracement. When looking to initiate a short position, you want to look at the upper lines of the channel with the idea of trading the retracement. Andrews Pitchfork is best used in a trending market environment, and as with all technical tools, the higher the time frame, the more powerful the potential signal. So far, you have learned that the Andrews Pitchfork helps identify channels to predict price reversals. It is plotted around 3 consecutive key highs or lows. It features 3 parallel lines that indicate support and resistance levels. As price moves, it tends to gravitate towards the central line in the pitchfork and bounce off the outer lines. When looking to go long on an asset, find a key low, followed by a key high, and then another key low in consecutive order. When looking to go short on an asset, find a key high in price, followed by a key low and another key high. Andrews Pitchfork is best used in a trending market and on higher time frames.